Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn sums of subtraction. In today's video we are going to learn how to subtract two values. I have a question here, that is 4 minus 2. To make this concept more easier to understand, I have these counting sticks. First of all, our question is 4 minus 2. This is the sign of minus. Subtraction means we minus one value to others. Alright, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sticks. Now minus 4. We will take away 2 sticks. How many sticks are left? 1 and 2. How many sticks are left? 2. So 2 is our answer. Now I have another question, that is 10 minus 7. Now I will do this question with the same activity. With the help of sticks. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 sticks. Right? These are 10 counting sticks. Now tell me. Now we will take away 7 from these 10. Right? First of all, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 sticks we will take away. Now tell me how many are left. 1, 2 and 3. How many are left? 1, 2 and 3. It means 3 is our answer. Now next question we have 8 minus 4. Now I will repeat the same activity but with ice cream sticks. You can also use these ice cream sticks or counting sticks to make these concepts more easier to learn for kids. First of all, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 sticks. Now we will take away 4 as there are minus 4 in our question. So we will take away 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have taken away 4 sticks. How many are left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it means the answer is 4.